Alright guys, it's your lucky day. I felt generous, so I'm going to give you another little quick tip. Now you see these welding magnets for holding things square or whatever, and they get all this, well, basically grinding dust and whatever. It's all metal filings. How do you get that off? I don't know how you guys get it off, but if you keep on picking it away like this, it's kind of a pain. It's hard to get off, right? Now I'm going to show you the quick and easy way. This is what I've been doing for years. And here we go. I don't know if you can see, this is that wedge, compressed air. There you have her. Get this in the focus. And there you have her. Quick and easy, simple. I got a chunk there, but whatever. Thanks for watching. Another little maintenance tip. Help you with your day. As long as you have an air compressor handy, you got her made. See ya.